and welcome to the 29th tutorial in the CSS Basics tutorial series. And in this tutorial we're going to look at the margin property. The margin property allows you to specify space around elements. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. It's going to go ahead and open up a text editor. Then inside it's going to go and open the file from tutorial 1. Okay, we're just going to enclose the hello world in a div tag. Just change this to div. And I'm going to set your width, and I'm going to put for 100 pixels. Set the height of 100 pixels. I'm actually going to set it to 5. Doesn't matter what you set it to. And I'm just going to do background color. And we're going to set that to yellow. And let's just see what that looks like at the moment. Okay, so we've got a big square essentially. And by default you actually already have some margin. That's what that is. It's a margin, it's the space around elements. And to actually set it, you can just do margin. And we can say dash left. And we're going to put 100 pixels. So it's essentially moved from the left 100 pixels. And if we go back to it, there's a few shorthand methods as well to set in margin. You can do margin for 100 pixels, and that just sets the margin for the left, right, top, bottom. So let's go back to web browser, refresh. So we got margin on every single side now. And if we go back, there's even more shorthand terms as well. We can put maybe 10 pixels and 40 pixels. And what this does is sets the top and bottom to 10, the left and right to 40, so you can group them together. So we got 10 and 40. Let's go back to text editor. There's even more shorthand versions you can do. And if we put another value here, I'm going to put 78. What this essentially does is top, left and right, and bottom. Just put pixels there, go back, refresh. And stuff is not changed because it's just affecting the bottom, which it's not going to bump it up by anything. But when you got other elements around, obviously things will change. And if I also put, and the final one you can do is literally just specify all of them individually like this, but within the same margin property. So we just do top, right, bottom, and left. Go back, refresh, and it has moved. That's it for margins. Pretty much every website will use it for some sort of positioning. In the next tutorial we're going to look at padding, which is very similar to margin, but it's the space within the element itself. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. All the required links or source code will be in the description, and thanks for watching.